journey to Mechanicsville, New York. This is part 4. I'm Joey Driscoll for Sachem Rails, and we are at Ayer, Massachusetts. Mile marker 36.5. We're at the Ayer T station, originally opened in 1845 and rebuilt once again in 1848, 1895, 1970, and 1980. Also closed a couple of times. As of 2018, 276 weekly average boardings at this train station. And Don will show you later on that behind us is the Next Stop Pub and Grill.
Yeah. Give yourself a cheeseburger. Tell us about that interlocking tower, Joey.
I didn't find too much information about it, but it is an old interlocking tower for this station.
Yeah, Fitchburg Junction. As you can see down here, actually there's a Norfolk Southern has a line stretching out. You can go either both ways. Looking west here, but you can see all that. I was told by that kid over there that there's supposed to be a train coming out, but I don't know. I'll go interrogate the guys across the street and see if they can get a little more information. And eastbound. It is a train that's going to be coming in here, so Joey, what time you got?
It is 2:22, so it'll be coming in 6.
Yeah, we're not going to, man. We're going to wait here for the train to come in. It'll be a good approach. I mean, it won't be a running through, but if we try to go to the next spot, we'll miss it. Stay tuned.